So today's vlog takes place at Planet Hollywood. We just checked in. Unfortunately, we had to pay an early check-in fee, even though we were checking in at like 2:30 and check-in was at 3. For a Friday night, we paid $45 to stay here in this really nice standard room right in the middle of the strip, so you can't really beat that, so I'm not really complaining. Okay, we're gonna... For lunch, we decided to check out Cafe Hollywood.
Hi.
And our food's coming right now. That's me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Buon appetito. I think it was actually really good. I liked it.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. Explore?
Let's go. Come on. Alright, first plan, we're going to try to find the poker room because I might be playing later. And she wants coffee this time, not just me. So, those are our first 2 stops. What's the poker room? Okay, so Greta and I just got Starbucks downstairs. We went upstairs to try to find somewhere secluded to hang out. And we actually found this whole area kind of just vacant. And there's this one table behind me that we were hanging out at. And while we're drinking our coffee, just chatting, out of nowhere, this young kid, looks like 17 maybe, just starts sprinting behind us, like full speed. I was like, what the heck? And then a couple minutes later, security's up here. Hey, come over here, screaming. And next thing you know, the kid, he sprints back. Him and the security guard are talking. There's a piece of paper, maybe a voucher for like gambling earnings or something. I don't know, but they're holding it, they're talking. And then out of nowhere, the kid just sprints downstairs, right down the escalator, and starts running out towards the exit. Multiple security guards start chasing him and going in that direction. I don't know, that was crazy. Alright, so the spa and fitness center closes at 5, so we just missed it. Might be able to check it out tomorrow morning though. But the pool, we tried to show you that as well. They're closed for this season. Planet Hollywood's connected to what's called the Miracle Mile shops. I'm sure you know this, but if you don't, it's just this giant shopping center kind of mall. Look, VR. Lots of restaurants here, bars as well, retail stores, literally like anything. Art, there's art. The Miracle Mile shops is actually connected to Hilton Grand Vacations Alara as well. So I'm not sure exactly where, but if you navigate somewhere, you can get to Alara or Planet Hollywood and the Strip. You can go right on the Strip. So just a unique little thing, a little feature to staying at Planet Hollywood.
So this is our soft piece. This is getting through just the first layer of tissue. Our gun comes with 8 different attachments.
How much does that cost?
It's a $500 product, but we're doing really good promos because of Christmas. So I have a 50% off going right now.
50% off.
So $250.
I know what I want for my birthday now. So that's one entrance. You kind of pop out on the strip right near the Chick-fil-A. The Cosmos behind us. But then back this way is the main entrance to Planet Hollywood. Pretty much center of the strip. Push or pull? Pull.
So we just had some real good Italian dinner, but now Pomps is gonna have to drive me home because I have to sleep because I have a job.
So it is the next morning. Last night, after the most recent clip, I left here to drop Greta off at home, but I actually ended up staying home too to sleep, and now I'm back here with a little bit of time to spare before I have to check out. Just to quickly kind of wrap up, like, some thoughts. I don't know if you've seen, but I recently made a top 10 hotels on the Vegas Strip video, and although this was in contention, I didn't put it on the list, but I really think that this place really could be on the list, on a 10 spot, maybe, you know, take out New York, put in Planet Hollywood. There's a couple of properties that are arguably all great and could crack that list, and I think this is one of them. I really dig the room, just right in the middle of the strip, so it's just in a really cool spot. I don't know, not much to complain about. The one thing I will say is that the window here is real small, and there's kind of like a black film, like a weird black film over the window, so it kind of like interrupts the view a little bit. I'm guessing it kind of helps with adding a little bit of shade from the sun, but it kind of looks weird. It's hard to see on camera, but I've never seen that before in a hotel, so that's kind of weird. But I don't know. This place is really cool, so I dig it. Let's see what we can find downstairs. Oh, we got buffalo. What do we win? $2.25. Oh, no, only $2. Okay.